All right, we are back at 150 Central Park. This is my second time here this trip. I'm just going to take you through the menu changes, a little shorter than the last video. If you want to see a full write-up, please click down in here and see the link to the write-up. Let's get started. So there are slight changes to the menu. They do not do the bread, unsalted butter, and assortment of salts anymore. And this is the new menu. They still have the cucumber martini. And I will say, just from eating here the other day, they have upped their dessert game, in my opinion. Replacement for the salt: lots of butter, thyme, rosemary, truffle oil. Jeffrey, want to give it a little tug there so they can see? And it's so soft. It's really good. It's one of my favorite drinks in the whole world.
And of course, very good. That's the secret. That's the secret. No food trick.
So this is the starter that I had the other night. And it was out of this world. The polenta mascarpone is just so creamy. The meat literally flakes as you cut through it. What are your thoughts?
It's pretty delicious.
It's amazing. Literally my happy place. I love these glasses. So it looks like if you order a salad, they make it tableside with dressing. And she mixes it around. Ooh. Thank you.
With a pork belly on the top.
Wow.
3 different things. It's come with celery root, a little bit of watermelon, and some green apples.
Oh, very cool.
That's what it actually made of.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So, you need another bite? I need to know your thoughts.
It's delicious.
It's so thick. I've never seen it that thick. So it's like super crunchy, but then the meat part of it is very, very juicy, very tender. It's a win. And then piece de resistance.
So you lost the termidor. Please enjoy it.
Beautiful. Jeffrey.
I would like to ask you. It's good.
Looks good to me.
Looks good to me.
Nice, very tender. What we're using here, we're using some deep fried shallots, black garlic, organic vegetables, mashed potato with a little bit of truffle oil inside. Almost got away.
Sure, I'll take Beet Salad. Are you sure? I'm one of them, yes.
Have you tried black garlic before?
No, I don't think so.
It's actually organic also, if I'm not mistaken, it comes from Indonesia. Two different kinds of sauce for you. The yellow one is Bernaise. Bernaise is egg yolk, tarragon, clarified water, a little bit of champagne vinegar. The other one is red wine reduction made of the pork wine.
Bernays.
I'm gonna leave this one.
Okay.
Beautiful.
We'll make it fit.
Please enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank
Please
you.
enjoy.
All right, moment of truth.
Try the fried cheesecake.
It's very good. Not as tender as the first time we had it, but it's very good.
Okay. Let's see. A moment of truth with my crazy hair here. It's very good. I will say the original recipe on the other menu is better, but I would still order it though.
Right.
There is no such thing as too much cheesecake, but this fried cheesecake is so good.
This is what you got the other night, right?
Mm-hmm. It's so good. It's so creamy. Just get it. Just get it. Hi everybody. As you can tell, definitely not on a cruise ship anymore. And if you've seen my Izumi video, I had to do both the recaps for 150 and Izumi like this in my home because I was ungodly sick with double eye infections, bronchitis. It was just not pretty. I was looking at the recaps I originally did on board and I was like, damn, I looked rough. So, and you'll probably see in parts of the video. I'm sorry. I tried to troop through and get you guys what I could. It was a rough cruise. Just for feeling sick. The cruise itself was fantastic. So let's talk 150 Central Park. For those of you that have been with me a while, you know that I do have a 150 Central Park review from Oasis from about 2 years ago with the original menu. The menu has since changed. I believe it changed just over a year ago, if I recall correctly. They did away with some things. They kept some things. So let's just hop into it. Just my overall recap. So I got to eat at 150 twice, which is an absolute pleasure with the unlimited dining plan. Definitely worth your while if you were going to do an ultimate dining, 1 night, 2 night, 3 night, or unlimited dining. 150 needs to be in there at least once. I recommend twice, but that's just me. So things that have changed. So originally when you dined at 150, if you looked at the other video, they had the 2 different breads with the unsalted butter and the 6 different salts from different areas of the world. That is gone, and in its place is this soft, pull apart, buttery, thyme and herb bread. The bread is really great. I personally miss the salts, but the bread, it's very soft, it's pull apart, as you saw in the video. It's really good. Let's see here. Some of the new menu items are fantastic. Like the braised short rib is really, really great. They still have the cucumber martini, which is now included in the drink package. It used to be, I believe, about a $2 overcharge, which I gladly paid. It's probably my favorite Royal Caribbean drink. They still have that. They've updated some of the menu items. They've updated dessert, which we'll get to in a second. They still have the beef for 2, and I ordered that with Jeff the second time that we ate at 150, and it was good, but there's something different about it. I think the old recipe was better by far. But if you like beef tenderloin, I don't think you'll be entirely disappointed if you didn't know what it was to begin with. For me, I think the standout entree was probably the lobster thermidor. That was fantastic. That was a really great menu addition. I'm going to skip back to appetizers quickly. First of all, the plating at 150 it was beautiful to begin with, but now it's just gorgeous. When we went the first time with a big group of people, I think it was the first or second night of the cruise, we got almost all the appetizers, and the beet salad had gold beets, regular beets, goat cheese clusters with herbs, and I think walnuts on the plate. I'm not a beet person, and that was really, really good. It was nice to see some more variety, some light options, some creamy options on the menu. So now let's hop into dessert. I had to hop back to that for a second. Dessert at $150, I think, was the most disappointing part about last time. There was nothing that stood out. They had these donut things that people liked. It was a donut. I think they had a tres leches cake that was good, but it was like, it wasn't something that like blew my mind that I would want again, that I would crave for. The deep fried cheesecake is so good. I can't even begin to tell you guys, like, they're just two little balls. So the nice thing is that the plating is not overwhelming. You're not going to walk out of there feeling like you're going to explode because it is smaller portions. It's just two little balls of deep fried cheesecake, you know, with some whipped cream. I think there's the caramel corn on it. I didn't really eat that or pay attention to it because just the cheesecake was out of this world amazing. So still would recommend 150 Central Park. If you've cruised there and dined there before, please let me know in the comments if you think you like the old menu, the new menu, what your favorite dishes are. And if you haven't cruised there, go back and look at the menu and let me know in the comments section what you feel like you'd want to order. Like I said, look forward to a great 2020 with you guys. Please check out my new videos. I have a great ship tour of Oasis of the Seas and many other here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Blech. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And until then, see you next time. Bye, guys.